What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We got the 07 Hawkeye STI back again. If you guys remember, we did end up, ordering a nice new front grille, paint match and everything from Fast WRX. So shout out to them guys, came out super awesome. The paint match looks freaking super nice. It is OEM, so right on. And we did also get the OEM JDM STI front mats and back mats. And we also got, I wanted to show you guys, this right here. This is going to be the JDM hazard button. Another OEM part, guys, right here. The JDM hazard button. Super sick. So let's get these things in the Hawkeye STI. Guys, we did hit Scooby with the same treatment we hit Scrappy with. We'll give you, a nice detailed video on that, but oh my gosh, she's so smooth. She needed the clay bar so bad with the nice buff. Oh, she feels awesome. That white super pop. But we're just grabbing some trim tools so we can pop that little piece out, get that JDM red hazard button in. We got the dogs going crazy. Alright guys, let's get that top piece out. So this is honestly my first time taking this part out, because when we installed the iDoing, we didn't need to take this part out. So I was just messing with it. I was honestly trying to just pop it out up top. But what you need to do is, there is 3 screws on the bottom. So whatever head unit you have, you just gotta pop that out. So what you do is you just pop this trim piece out, you take your bolts out, pop your head unit out, and then it seems to be that you have 3 bolts under here, right where I'm pointing. 1, 2, and then 3. So take those out and then we'll try to pop this baby out. Alright guys, we got it out. Awesome. So let's figure out how to pop this little hazard button out and get this red JDM one in. Alright guys, we out here doing big things. We got the button out. We got Mitch over here on FaceTime. Yes sir. But I want to show you guys, super cool. It actually says genuine OEM Subaru parts for the button. So let's get this baby in and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, it's getting dark out. You can't really see, but I hit this with a nice little polish by hand and it honestly came out freaking awesome. So let's get this red JDM button in. Let's wrap this up. Alright guys, so fast forward a few days. I just want to, show you guys real quick that we did install the nice OEM STI mats. Those look super clean. We'll get you some slow-mos of those. And we do have the nice new red JDM button, which by the way guys, at night when you turn your lights on, it does light up in the middle, which the old one didn't. Super cool. Definitely a nice little, JDM goodie, but we'll take that guys. Interior's getting there. Absolutely love the seats, like I said. Now that matches nice, and we got a little, Japan stuff in there, so sweet guys. I'm super excited. Looks freaking awesome. I love it. Yeah guys, definitely solid first interior mod. I'm definitely satisfied with it. I wasn't too sure on the mats at first because like I said, I did have the original blue ones, but these are OEM as well, and I mean the black just matches perfectly, especially with the pink JDM logo. So really like it guys. Let me know in the comments what else you think we should do the interior. Like I said, definitely think I'm going with some a suede shift boot, suede e-brake boot, and maybe we'll let this thing sit for a little bit. But alright guys, remember, if you're liking all the content and you're liking the channel, Smash that like button, show us all the love, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.